Welcome to the Teacher's Library. I'm Miss S. Today, we are going to read Tiny T-Rex and the Impossible Hug, written by Jonathan Stutzman and illustrated by Jay Fleck. Hello, Pointy. Are you okay? No, today I feel sad. I do not want to play. I have tiny arms. It is very difficult to hug with tiny arms. Each day, I am growing taller, but my arms are still tiny. Hugging almost seems impossible for a Rex as tiny as me, but I will try anyway. Pointy needs me. Where is my father? I will ask him for advice. Hello, father.
Rexes are thinkers, not huggers. Perhaps instead of hugs, mathematics might be the answer to your problem.
Pointy does not like math. Math will only make Pointy feel worse. Hello, Auntie Junip. I have a problem. I must learn how to hug, but my arms are too tiny. I have found that balance is the key to every problem. Balance and freshly squeezed cucumber juice. That is disgusting. I will ask my mother for help instead. I have fallen, and now I am lost. I do not think I will find my mother in here. Hello, Mother.
It's okay if you can't hug, Tiny. You are good at many other things. You are kind and creative and braver than most. You are tiny, but your heart is big.
I cannot hug with my heart, Mother. I must learn to hug with my arms. Hello, sister. Hello, brother. Please help me. Hugging is very difficult.
We'd love to help, Tiny.
To do the impossible, you must plan and practice.
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 Thank you, Trixie and Rory. That is good advice. I will plan my strategy. I will get stronger. I will practice very hard. I will practice my hugs on everything. I will not practice on that anymore. I am almost ready. I will practice one more time. When I am done, I will find my friend. This tree is very big, like Pointy. I will hug it. This is not a tree. I have made a mistake. Please help. From up here, everything looks tiny, like me. I could hug anything I wanted. Now I am falling. I should not have let go. Now I will never find Pointy. Hello, Pointy.
Hello, Tiny.
I am here to make you feel better. I have practiced very hard and hugged many things. My arms are still tiny and my hugs are still tiny, but I will do my very best because you are my very best friend.
Thank you, Tiny. That was the biggest hug ever. The end.
I hope you enjoyed reading Tiny T-Rex and the Impossible Hug with me today. If you haven't already, please like this video and subscribe to the Teacher's Library so you don't miss the next story. If you want to get your hands on a copy of this wonderful book, make sure you check the description box to find out how. Till next time, I'm Miss S, and remember, keep reading.